Good morning, children. So this is your second round test revision, children. Social second round test revisions. You have to practice in rough book three times, children. Lesson number 3 and 4 your test portions. This is your revision. Second round test revision. First main is circle the correct answer for the following. So a given question and two options for that. So which is the correct answer? You have to round up, you have to do circle for that question, for that answer, children. First main, circle the correct answer for the following. First one, food gives us what? Food gives us dash. Work or energy? Energy is the answer, no? So round for energy. Understood, children? Food gives us what? Energy. Next, second one. Food is made up of dash. Food is made up of dash. Options, nutrients, water. Food is made up of nutrients. 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 Food is made up of nutrients. Circle for the nutrients, children. Next, third one. Usually we have dash meals a day. Usually have dash meals a day 3 or 5. How many times we will eat food? 3 times, no? So answer is 3. Round for the 3. Next, fourth one. We need to drink plenty of dash. Water, juice. So you have to drink plenty of water. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಾ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಾ ಸೊ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕವರ್ ಅವರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯು ಗಿವನ್ ಅ ಬಾಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿ ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕವರ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ವೇರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ಮರ್. What type of clothes we have to wear in summer season? Cotton or woolen? Cotton cloths. So circle for the cotton cloths, children. COTTON, cotton cloths. Next, seventh one, we get wool from dash. So from how we get wool? Animals or plants? From animals we get wools, no? Circle for the animals, children. ANIMALS, animals. Circle for the answer, animals. We get wool from animals. Next, eighth one. We should wear dash and neat clothes. What type of clothes we have to wear? Clean or dirty? Clean. Circle for the clean, children. Next, second main. Fill in the blanks for the following. See, again I will repeat first main, children. First main is what? Circle the correct answer for the following. Food gives us dash. Work or energy? Answer is energy. Round for the energy. Third, second one. Food is made up of dash. Nutrients, water. Food is made up of what? Nutrients. Circle for the nutrients. Next, third one. Usually we have dash meals a day 3 5 3 meals THREE 3 is the answer. Round for the 3. Next, fourth one. We need to drink plenty of dash. Water, juice. We need to drink plenty of what? Water. WATE, water is the answer. Circle for the water. Next, fifth one. We wear clothes to cover our dash. Body, hands. We wear clothes to cover our body. Circle for the body. BODY, body. Next, sixth one. We wear dash clothes in summer. Cotton, woolen. We wear cotton clothes in summer. COTTON, cotton. Circle for the cotton. Next, seventh one. We get wool from dash. Animals, plants. So we get wool from animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Circle for the animals. Next, eighth one. We should wear dash. We should wear dash and neat clothes. We should wear clean clothes. We clean and neat clothes. Circle for the clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Next, fill in the blanks with the help of given brackets for the following. So your brackets are given, children. First one is dash is bodybuilding food. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Dash is bodybuilding food. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Next, second one. Oil is dash food. Oil is energy giving food. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy giving food. Oil is dash food. Oil is energy giving food. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy, G-I-V-I-N-G, energy giving food. Next, third one. We eat dash meals a day. We eat 3 meals a day. T-H-R-E-E, 3. We eat dash meals a day. 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. We eat 3 meals a day. Next, fourth one. Good dash habits help us to stay healthy. Good food habits help us to stay healthy. F-O-O-D, food. Good dash habits help us to stay healthy. Good food habits, F-O-O-D, food habits help us to stay healthy. Next, fifth one. Some people dash special kind of clothes called uniform. Some people wear special kind of clothes called uniform. Some people dash special kind of clothes called uniform. Some people wear, W-E-A-R, wear special kind of clothes called uniforms. Next, we should wear clean and dash clothes. We should wear clean and neat clothes. We should wear clean and dash clothes. We should wear clean and neat, N-E-A-T, neat clothes. Seventh one, they protect us from getting dash. They protect us from getting wet, W-E-T, wet. They protect us from getting wet. Eighth one, we also wear leather cloths in dash, winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. We also wear leather cloths in dash, winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. See, again I will repeat the fill in the blanks, children. Dash is bodybuilding food. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish is bodybuilding food. Oil is dash food, energy giving food. We eat dash meals a day. 3. Good dash habits help us to stay healthy. Food, F-O-O-D, food. Good dash habits help us to stay healthy. Food, F-O-O-D, food. Some people dash special kind of clothes called uniform. Some people wear, W-E-A-R, wear special kind of clothes called uniforms. Next, we should wear clean and dash clothes. We should wear clean and neat clothes. Next, seventh one, they protect us from getting dash. They protect us from getting dash wet, W-E-T, wet. We also wear leather cloths in dash winter, winter, winter. Next, third main, name the following. First one, bodybuilding food, milk. Which is the bodybuilding food? Milk, milk, milk. Protective food, fruits, fruits, fruits. Protective food, fruits, fruits, fruits. Energy giving food, rice, rice, rice. Energy giving food, rice, rice. Clothes we wear in winter, woolen, woolen, woolen. Clothes we wear in winter, woolen, woolen, woolen. Clothes we wear in summer, cotton, cotton, cotton. Clothes we wear in summer, cotton, cotton, cotton. Sixth one, we use this in rainy season, umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. We use this in rainy season, umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Bodybuilding food, milk, milk. Protective food, fruits, fruits, fruits. Energy giving food, rice, rice. Clothes we wear in winter, woolen, woolen, woolen. Clothes we wear in summer, cotton, cotton, cotton. We use this in rainy season, umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Next, write true or false for the following statements. First one, we wear clothes to cover our body. True. So you know to write the true or false, students. So first read the question. If that statement is right, you have to write true. If that statement is wrong, you have to write false. So understood to write how to write the true or false, no students? First one, we wear clothes to cover our body. True. We get woolen from tiger. False. We wear different clothes in different seasons. True. We wear raincoats in summer. False. We must wash and rinse our hand before we eat anything. False. We must eat our food at a fixed time. True. We can eat food from vessels kept uncovered. False. Rice is bodybuilding food. False. We wear clothes to cover our body. True. We get woolen from tiger. False. We wear different clothes in different seasons. True. We wear raincoats in summer. False. We must wash and rinse our hand before we eat anything. False. We must eat our food at a fixed time. True. We can eat food from vessels kept uncovered. False. Rice is bodybuilding food. False. Next, fifth main, unscramble the words for the following. So unscramble words means, see children, you can identify this first. See the first one. You can identify this. You can read this word. DOFO. So what does that mean? You don't know, no? You have to identify which is the word, that one. Food. F. Right, food. F-O-O-D. Understood, children? What is unscrambled words means? You have to identify that word and write correct spelling. You have to write correct spelling, children. First one is food, F-O-O-D, food. Second one, rice, R-I-C-E, rice. Third one, water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Next, health. Fourth one is health, H-E-A-L-T-H, health. Fifth one, tailor, T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Rubber, R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. See, children, again, food, F-O-O-D, food, R-I-C-E, rice, W-A-T-E-R, water, H-E-A-L-T-H, health, T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor, R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. Next one is cloths, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloths, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloths. So, eighth one is fibers, F-I-B-R-E-S, fibers, F-I-B-R-E-S, fibers. Next, sixth main is write missing letters for the following. Missing letters, you know, no children, missing word you have to write. Jackets, J-A-C-K-E-T-S, jackets. Second one, weavers, W-E-A-V-E-R-S, weavers. Third one, seasons, S-E-A-S-O-N-S, seasons. Stitch, S-T-I-T-C-H, stitch. Next, growth, G-R-O-W-T-H, growth. Strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. Meals, M-E-A-L-S, meals. See again, children, first one is jackets, J-A-C-K-E-T-S, jackets. Weavers, W-E-A-V-E-R-S, weavers. S-E-A-S-O-N-S, seasons. S-T-I-T-C-H, stitch. G-R-O-W-T-H, growth. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. M-E-A-L-S, meals. Next, seventh main is answer the following questions. First one, what kind of food protects us from disease? Fruits and vegetables protects us from disease. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits, A-N-D and V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables, protects, P-R-O-T-E-C-T-S, protects, us, U-S, us, F-R-O-M, from, disease, D-I-S-E-A-S-E, disease. Fruits and vegetables protects us from disease. Next, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. W-E-V-W-E-A-R, wear. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. T-O-2, C-O-V-E-R, cover. O-U-R, our. B-O-D-Y, body. We wear clothes to cover our body. What would you like to wear during special days? We wear special clothes during special days. W-E-V-W-E-A-R, wear. S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. D-U-R-I-N-G, during. S-P-E-C special, days, days. We wear special clothes during special days. Next, fourth one. Why should we wear woolen clothes in winter? We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. W-E-V-W-E-A-R, wear. W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. T-O-2, K-E-E-P, keep. O-U-R-S-E-L-V-E-S, ourselves. Warm, W-A-R-M, warm. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. So this is revision, children. Second round test revision. You have to practice three times in your rough book, children. Practice 3 times in RB means rough book, children. In next class we can continue. Thank you, children.